Find the center and radius of the following circles, then graph the equation and label each with at least 4 ordered pairs. Notice that the circle is given in standard form, that is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, our standard form for the equation of a circle. From here, we can identify h as 1 and k as -2 and r is 4. To find h, we look at the opposite of what we see beside x, that is positive 1. To find k, we look at the opposite of what we see beside y, which is -2. And to find r, we take the square root of this number on the far right. And now we have our center, hk, or 1, -2, and the radius, 4. From here, we can start by plotting the center at 1, -2. And to get some additional points, we can go up, down, left, and right 4 units for the radius. And from here, play connect the dots. Just ignore my horrible circle there. And we have a rough sketch of our circle. And we want to label at least 4 ordered pairs. So this coordinate would be 1, 2, and then 5, -2, 1, -6, and -3, -2. Here again, we will look at the standard form of the circle given and use it to identify the center and radius. Looking beside the x, notice we don't have anything, so we can think of that as x minus 0 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 9. From here, we can see that h is actually 0. So the center is going to be 0, comma, look at what's beside the y. We have -4, so the opposite of that is +4. And the radius is the square root of the constant here, so the radius is 3. From here, we can plot the circle, start with the center at 0, 4, and then up, down, left, right, 3 units. Once we get our points, we can connect the dots with a curve to get our circle. And from here, label those 4 additional points. We have 3, 4, 0, 1, -3, 4, and our 4th point is 0, 7. In this example, notice we don't see any numbers beside x squared and y squared, so you can think of that as x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 1, looking at that standard form. So here, the center of our circle is the origin, 0, 0, and then the radius is the square root of 1, which is 1. So we have a unit circle centered at the origin, and our 4 coordinates would be 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, -1, and -1, 0.